Hello, sir. Ma'am, my name is Piyush Sen. I am from Ghaziabad. I have completed Bachelor of Computer Application from Chaudhary Charan Singh University, Meerut, and currently I am pursuing Master of Computer Application from Abdul Kalam Technical University, Lucknow. Today, I am very excited to present my project AI-powered multi-language translator. As we know, communication is the foundation of global connection. However, language barriers often prevent people from truly understanding each other. My project aims to solve this problem using the power of artificial intelligence. This translator is designed to convert the text and speech from one language to another in real time. Unlike traditional translation tools, it uses advanced NLP, natural language processing, and machine learning model to ensure that translation are not only accurate but also conceptually. Now we come from our code. So we used Python library like pip install Gradio transformer for pre-trained model and Gradio web interface. We use from transfer import pipeline import Gradio as GR. We also use Hugging Face website for pipeline, makes it's very easy to load pre-trained model. We are using English to French for demonstration, but you can switch to other language pairs. We also use translation function like def. Def is a function in Python used to reusable the code. We also use build Gradio interface demo.gr. The project explanation is like input user enter text in English, model Hugging Face transformer model process and translate, output translate text in French, interface Gradio provides a simple web UI to interact. Its features are real-time text translation, uses state-of-the-art transformer architecture, easy to extend to more languages. We also used in CSS HTML. HTML is used for structuring the data and CSS used for cascading style sheet used to animate or interactive make website. So we can see that our code is successfully executed. Now we can check the final output of this project. So this is the final project of our project, and we open in full screen. Yes, we can see AI multi-language translator. Now we enter some text in English like that. Hello, my name is Piyush. Now we use select target language. As we can see that we can select any language like German, Greek. We select Hindi. Now we can translate it. So we can see that our output, hello, मेरा नाम पीयूष है. So this project is successfully running, and you can see that our project is very interactive user interface. Now we also change the targeted language to Russian, and We can also check that there are buttons in this project: translate button, clear button, use API, and setting. Now we enter some other text like what is Java, and we set targeted language like French and translate it. So our output is that. So we also check that our output is correct or not. So we can check it by Google Translate. So we want to check by Google, and we can copy this translated text to Google Translate. So we can search Google Translate, enter selected output like French language output, and enter in detect language. And but yeah, we can see that our output is successfully correct. So our project is very correct, successfully executed, and provide language. So it is overcome the language barriers. The project has a wide range of applications such as education, tourism, international business, and cross-cultural communication. Imagine a tourist in foreign country being able to speak freely, or student accessing learning material in their own language. In conclusion, my AI-powered multi-language translator is not just a project. It is a step toward breaking down language barriers and building a more connected world. Thank you so much.